how to redeem a PayPal gift card. So most people will tell you that you have to link it like a credit or debit card, but that's not actually true. So what you can do is go to wallet here. And once we're taken to wallet, we want to click on transfer money, and we can use this option here, money in, instantly top up using Trustly, to actually write our PayPal information here, and you should transfer or redeem our PayPal card into the account. Now, another way of how you can actually use your PayPal gift card is if you go, for example, to Steam and you want to make a purchase. Here, let's say I want to make a purchase for this game. I'll click on continue to payment, and if the game supplier in this case supports PayPal as an option here, we'll select PayPal, continue, and then we can use our PayPal gift card to shop that way instead of actually transferring over the amount into our account. So those are two ways of how you can use your PayPal gift card. Leave a like and sub if this helped. I'll see you next time.